Hello, welcome to Human Studies. Today we are talking about polynomials, second degree polynomial. So in this we are discussing about three categories. How to find the factors of a second degree polynomial, how to find the roots of a second degree polynomial from the equation, and they give the roots and we should find the equation. So these are the three degrees of second degree polynomial. So first we are discuss about how to factorize a second degree polynomial. So let us take a small example. So x square plus 5x plus 6. Here x square, if there is no coefficient, there is 1. If there is no coefficient, we should kept a 1. So first we should multiply the first degree coefficient and last. 1 into 6 is nothing but 6. So how find the factors of this 6. 1 into 6, 2 into 3, and the 3 can't repeat again. Why? Because here there is 3. So by adding or subtracting we should get this number. So 6 minus 1 is equals to 5. 2 plus 3 is also 5. So if there is only 2 plus 3 we can directly write, but there are 2. So at that time we should check the symbol of this. What is the symbol? There is adding symbol. So we should take these two. X square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6. So this is. Now we should take common in both of these. X square and x. X square means x into x. X means only one x. So here we should take common of these two. So common, if we take common x, and again in this again another x is remained. So x, here there is plus and the 2 is remained, so that 2, as well as plus 3x plus 6, 3 into 2. So 3 as well as 3 into x plus here 6, 2. Now these two, what is the common? First we should check if we multiply these two, it is came correct or not. X into x, x square. X into 2, 2x plus in middle, as well as 3 into x, 3x plus 3 into 2, 6. So in these two we take one common, x plus 3, comma, in these two we take a common number, so that x plus 3. So these are the factors. We directly write as 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are the factors of this number, or x plus 2 and x plus 3 are the factors. From the same method we can find the roots. How means, here x plus 2. X plus 2 is 0. Already this question is equal to 0. But there is no need, in every question they do not give equal to 0. But we should see like that. 2x plus 2 is equals to 0, as well as x plus 3 is also equal to 0. Now x plus 2 is equals to 0. Then x is equals to minus 2. Here too, x plus 3 is equals to 0. X is equals to minus 3. So like this we should factorize and find the roots of the any number. So this is how. So we did two types. We find the factor and as well as we find the roots of this number. So I give a time. Okay. So the next method is they give the roots. They give these two roots. Actually in every question they give equation and they said to find the roots. But in some questions they give these two roots and they say to find out the equation. For that there is one formula. Let us see that formula. So remember this equation. In our question they do not give this equation, they just give the roots. -3 comma -2. Find the equation. They say to find the equation. So -3 -2. They say to find the equation. Now the formula is x square minus sum of roots plus into x plus of roots. So PR means product of roots. So this is the formula, x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots. So let us see how to do this. So x square minus, this keep side, -3 plus -2 -5 x square -3 -2 sum of roots -5 x minus 5x plus product of roots. Product of roots is -3. Now the product of roots is -3 into -2 is nothing but 6. So here x square minus of minus 5x. So minus into minus, it is nothing but plus. X square plus 5x plus 6. So this is the equation. Now check the equation. X square plus 5x plus 6. So this is how to find the roots of the equation. Now let us take another example. For this we do not know equation. Directly we should find the roots of that equation. It is something difficult. So now if they give √3 plus √2, this is the any equation root. So they given I said that this formula is used for only second degree polynomial. Means they given only one root, but they do not given another root. This all is the one root. So automatically when √3 plus √2 is the factor, then automatically √3 minus 2 is also a factor. √3 minus √2. So when we got this, always we got this 2. So let us go to the formula. What is the formula? X square into sum of roots into x plus product of roots. So x square minus, keep this side, -3 plus √3 plus √2. Cannot do that. So into x. So Root 3 into root 2 is equals to root 6. X square minus root 3 plus root 2 is nothing but root 5 into x and x plus root 6. So this is the equation. I do not give any equation, so let us know that this is the equation. X square minus root 5x plus root 6. So thank you for visiting this channel. Please subscribe, like, share and subscribe.